Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and today I would like to show you how you can find all text correction options on this device. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling down, then choose General Management. Over here you need to choose Samsung Keyboard Settings, and as you can see some typing options are over here. If you wish to enable or disable one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one or click on it and tap on the switcher here. You can also scroll down and click on more typing options, then adjust all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!